Welcome to our new topic. Today we will share about the uncontrolled situation. We sometimes quite often get the uncontrolled situation. The past is uncontrolled situation for us. The future is uncontrolled situation for us. Even the other behavior is uncontrolled situation. Even ourselves is hard to control in our mind sometimes. What we know about is how do we know? In the busy sometime when we take a break quite often a little bit we will know. When we know we need to practice about day by day. The only get we can control every single day the past and the future. The owner of the one thing is we got only the day and we need to practice day by day is the only one way to be control situation. When it come to day and come to our mind and ourselves, control situation. When it is practice about this together and we will get some time and it will be fun. You will know about it. I can explain about the feeling you will feel by yourself. And remember about every single day we live is just for today. Just for today is the practice way and we don't get it yet. And we practice together every single a little bit. When in the beginning it is hard and it will be hard. It is the nature. And when we practice a little bit more often, quite often, it's sometimes everything and in a part of the times to be when it come to become habit and it will be okay. Please sometime like this. So just for today, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for today and now. If you are living, it will be good to live day by day. So get back to work together. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video and see you in the situation.